Hey Glam Squad, welcome back to my channel. It's time for the giveaway. Yes, this is the giveaway video and I'm so excited. I can't believe we made it to 100 subscribers in about a month. A lot of stuff has been going on last month and I wasn't been able to, post consistently. However, we're back on schedule and I just want to thank you guys for understanding and consistently, supporting this channel. I really appreciate it when you guys put comments down underneath the video or like the video. I try my best to respond back as soon as I can, whether you guys put down any concerns, compliments, or feedback. Now it's time for the question and answer time, and I have about 3 questions that I know most people are wondering or asking me about. The first one is, why did I delay the giveaway video? As you guys can see, when I had taken the screenshot, it was like about 105 subscribers, but now it's like a little bit more. And the reason why I delayed the video is because I'm studying for my graduate school exam, and the exam is actually next week, and so I'm actually studying a lot, and a lot of time is required of me to study for this exam, and I don't want the giveaway video to be really choppy or not well put together like how I usually do my videos. So I decided to delay the giveaway video until I'm ready, and as you guys can see, I'm ready now. I have a small time to do it right now, and so I prepared this video here for you guys. So the reason I made this channel is because I really enjoy watching hair videos, watching wigs and stuff, and I just want to share with you guys the beauty and the fascination of different hairstyles and how each hairstyle plays a role in who we are and the way how we express ourselves, and I just want to share that with y'all, and hopefully you guys enjoy the videos that I've been posting. Another question is, why did I repost some videos? And I repost the videos because YouTube do not promote some of my videos as much as the others, and you'll probably see that in my number of views. Some videos have a lot of views, 4,000 and plus. Some videos only have 18, 20. And it's not that because it's not a good video, it's because YouTube somehow skipped or forgot to promote that video. And a lot of YouTubers are facing this. I did some research on this and I saw that it's happening to other YouTubers as well. They're experiencing, YouTube only promoting some of the videos and leaving out some others, So when I repost a video, I basically want YouTube to look at the video again and see if YouTube could probably promote it this time. And if not, I'll just, take down the video since I already have another one up. And I usually give it about a week or 2, and then I'll decide to, take it down if necessary. Oh. And also, since I'm in a topic about videos, I want to ask you guys if you could, put down any suggestions inside the comment section if you guys prefer a certain hairstyle, or you guys like to see, let's say, a braided hairstyles or different types of braided hairstyles, whatever. Put in the comments, and I'll try my best to, see if I can find videos on that specific hairstyle. But I could probably see if I can find videos on that specific hairstyle, and put down stuff that you guys like to see. If you guys prefer wigs or, natural hairstyle. Okay, so now it's time for the giveaway. I'm going to quickly go over, the rules for the giveaway. Just to remind you guys what were the rules and how people were selected. So the rules were to put down a comment underneath 3 videos or more. You also have to subscribe to the channel, obviously, and make sure you guys fill out the form. A lot of you guys did not complete the form or comment underneath the videos, so the ones who did were considered for the giveaway. So the giveaway prizes are a $25 gift card or a nice pink makeup hologram bag. Okay, so now we're going to spin the giveaway wheel and find out who won. And the winner is Miss E. Congratulations, you will receive your Amazon card through the email. I just want to quickly remind you guys again to please put down any suggestions you guys have on hairstyles, or put down what hairstyles you guys like to see, and I will try my best to go and find videos on that. Thank you guys all for watching. Look out for the next giveaway video. Bye.